Should I choose this one or this one, or maybe even this one here, or maybe even this airship here? Damn guys, it's really hard to choose between these airships. Guys, I'm about to tell you why I believe the Jordan Airship is the perfect sneaker. And through this whole exhibition of showcasing my Jordan Airships, I'm about to tell you why I believe it's probably the best sneaker out there at this moment in time. But before we do that, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks ATL. Please do actually go and follow the bro 808 Kicks ATL as well, where we talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior on the podcast, and we always take that to sneaker court or public opinion. And also, please do go and just basically be awesome, guys. Keep hitting your goals, keep hitting your targets, and keep on progressing for the year, because I want you to win, we want you to win, and you need to always win, guys. But now let's take a look at these Jordan Airships. No cap, guys, I truly believe the Jordan Airship is basically the Jordan 1 substitute for this time being, for this little period that we have over the last couple of years when the Jordan 1's actually been declining. The Jordan Airship's been releasing, and we saw the first couple of colorways. I think the level wasn't that great on the first couple of colorways, but basically the first couple of colorways that actually released were like the actual New Beginnings pack, but they gave you like a blue and a yellow rendition, or not a blue rendition, a yellow rendition, a green rendition, and then they came with the Maniere blue rendition, which actually released into the States and it was limited. But then this sneaker caught my attention. This Jordan Airship Tech Grey caught my attention. Not only did it bring dope leather, this leather on this is absolutely phenomenal. Not only did it bring dope leather, even though the leather is a little bit on the like thin side, it's still a great sneaker, but it brought all this suede onto the swoosh and the uppers. It's basically a neutral grey colorway, but it kind of just absorbed me in. I was totally in. And this is a beautiful rendition of the Airship. Just like, this is why I believe the Jordan Airship is a great substitute, because basically it came in with roughly about 135 pounds. It came in at 135 pounds, and it gave you similar to what the Jordan 1 did in like 2014, 2015, when the prices were 135 pounds. So this was a perfect substitute, and this is why I call the Airship a perfect substitute. And we know the history behind the Airship. We know that the Airship is the pre-Jordan before the Jordan 1, and basically Michael Jordan wore the red variation of this, basically a black and red variation, which was the sneaker that actually was banned by the NBA. And this is why they brought back the history for the Airship and started releasing these Airships. It is a perfect substitute. Not only is it awesome, but you can get these Airships for pretty cheap. And if you look at the secondary market at this moment in time, these Airships are going for nothing. Even the collaborations are going for under retail. So these are the perfect substitutes. If you haven't picked one up, go and check out the price, go and check out what it's doing on the secondary market, because these are awesome. These are absolutely awesome. I love this actual Airship. The Tech Grey Airship is so dope. I've worn it a couple of times. It doesn't crease, guys. It does not crease, and it just is basically aging well. It will last like a Jordan 1 as well, because obviously with the rubber outsole or the polyurethane rubber outsole. But basically it is such a great sneaker, such a beautiful sneaker, even with that Nike at the back. Absolutely dope, stitched in Nike at the back. This is awesome. This is absolutely amazing, and this is what drew me into the Airship. Then we got the collaboration hype. Then we got sneakers that were involved with collaborations and boutiques, and then we got that Nigel Sylvester Bike Air, which was then transformed into this every game for a general release for everybody. This sneaker everybody was after this, and right this moment in time you can get this for really cheap. And this is crazy because this every game is so dope. Just like the Tech Greys, it's got that suede on the swoosh and the upper panels there. It's got the Bike Air at the back, which is stitched in, which is beautiful, and it's got that crack level all the way through. It is nice, it is beautiful, and just like the worn effect on this is super dope, super fire. This is a crazy sneaker, and this is going for little to nothing at the moment. So you can get this sneaker for a really good price on the secondary market. Such a great wear, such a great great sneaker, and you know the whole fact about the UNC colorway, or the fact that Michael Jordan used to wear his North Carolina gear underneath his Chicago gear, which basically was his superstition to give him good luck. But this is a dope rendition of the airship. Absolutely dope, absolutely fire in my personal opinion, and this is why I love having this in my rotation. Now we come to one of the uniquest pairs I've got in my rotation in terms of the airship, and it is the corporate Gotham. This is an absolutely magnificent sneaker. You need to wear this in the summertime, guys. You need to wear this in the summertime because this will get absolutely dirty. You might need to put some crep protector, you might need to put some protection spray on this because this is all suede out. You've got nubuck that hits the swoosh and the upper panels on the toe there with the underlay of that white trim on the actual swoosh, which is similar to some of the other airships I've got. But basically, guys, this is so dope. Look at that fur, and you got that corporate Gotham at the side there as well, which is super dope, or just the corporate on the side, but it's just super dope, guys. The actual Gotham at the back, I don't think a lot of people like this. I don't think a lot of people like this at the back, but this is dope in my personal opinion. Such a great sneaker, and it is still furry, guys, furry and crazy. And this is one sneaker, if you wear, this is like a Tiffany. You could call this a Tiffany airship if you want to, because colors on this is Tiffany. This is so dope in my personal opinion. One of the best airships in my rotation, but this is so dope. Absolute fire, absolute perfection. The way they did this, corporate Gotham hit them at the park, if I'm honest with this one, and the white laces just do it justice. It's such a beautiful sneaker. If you wear this, everybody's taking notice. If you wear this out in the open, everybody's gonna look at your feet. That's all I'm saying. Absolutely beautiful rendition, and that is it's perfection, guys. In my personal opinion, it's just perfection. Another Jordan airship which is unique in terms of my rotation, it is the SoulGoods Jordan airship. This is basically derived of two colorways, which is the mocha, which is at the back side of this, and the actual mesh of this actual toe, and then you got that gray toe, which actually transitions from dark gray, medium gray, and light gray into that toe, which is absolutely awesome. This is a absolutely beautiful sneaker. You've got the rendition, you still got that like underlay overlay panel, which is that mocha brown and mocha brown swoosh there as well. You've also got that actual SoulGoods logo there and a 5 at the back, and it is just a beautiful rendition. Even the tongue on this is nubuck and mesh and actual suede. Is absolutely dope, absolutely amazing. I love this. This will gain your attention. It's like a dip dye. You just literally dip dye the toe into gray, and it's actually suede out. Absolutely dope and absolutely fire. I love this. I think this, you can still get this for low, very low. All these Jordan airships you can get for low or under retail, but this is a SoulGoods actual boutique collaboration with the Jordan airship, and this is a magnificent sneaker in my personal opinion. This is so dope. And you've got, I think in the inside, you actually do have prove yourself. Basically, it's got prove yourself on the inside, which is stitched to the inside. And keep proving yourself, guys. Keep doing the awesome things that you do to actually keep progressing, like I keep saying. But yeah, absolutely dope and absolutely amazing. This is just another fantastic Jordan airship. And when we talk about Jordan airships at the moment in time, you can see there's a lot of variety in terms of the collaborations. They do everything to this, especially the actual boutique collaborations. They're bringing it, just not unlike the Jordan 1. The Jordan 1, they're switching out colors and stuff like that, giving you reimagined stuff like that. But then when you got an airship like this that actually brings it all the corporate Gotham, all even the tech grey, which is a neutral color colorway, and they bring it to the Jordan airship, it just does something. And the Jordan airship seems to be simplistic, such a simplistic sneaker, and they just absolutely beautify it. Next up, we got two bangers from Maniere, which is the Maniere green variation of the actual Jordan airship and the black and white variation of the Jordan airship. Look at it, but guys, it is absolutely dope. The leather on this is thick, the actual undertone is yellow, and it just gives you this awesome vibe. Aged out look on the outsole, aged out look on the laces. You get different variations of laces as well. And then even the top panel, this is nubuck and nubuck swoosh. And the green panel to give you the suede, which is absolutely dope. But guys, what one are you choosing out of these? These are both awesome. You got all the A's in the inside as well, which is dope, and on the outside, like you do, you got the A on one side and you got a Nike A on the back on the other side, which is super fire. The leather's great, the sneaker's great, comfortable as a crazy comfortable sneaker as well. And then you can just switch up the laces, white laces, black laces, green laces, and then you also get the almost like aged out or yellowy laces, which is crazy. I like these are absolutely dope. One of my favorites. I love this, and this is just a awesome pair to wear on feet. Just simplistic, but giving a green hint and then that black hint. But you guys are gonna say it's just another white sneaker with a little bit of touch on it. It is. It isn't, because it's a collaboration, and on top of that, guys, the quality on this is premium. If you have a chance to check either of these in hand, I think this black variation or this Maniere black variation sat for a long time, and the green variation is sitting for a long time. The leather on these is absolutely magnificent, and these two are my best pairs in terms of the Jordan Airship. I love these two. I love both of these because it's hard to choose between them. And if they keep releasing, if Maniere keep releasing sneakers like this, I'm gonna always buy it. Look at that, guys. I'm always going to buy these. Last but not least is the new kid in town, and it is the Jordan Airship Awake NY. And basically this is a dope rendition. The review out is for this, and you can go and check it out. I dropped it on Thursday. All the reviews of the extra Jordan Airships are on my channel as well. You can go and search them and go and check them out, because I do a detailed breakdown of the actual sneaker, the quality and all of that stuff. But yeah, guys, this Jordan Awake Airship is absolutely beautiful. The leather on this is tumbled through. This is the most tumbled effect leather I've got on the Jordan Airships. I don't think any of the others touch it. I know the corporate gom's got premium suede on it. I know the nubuck on the SoulGoods is so fire, but the leather on this actual Awake Airship is super dope, super dope, super fire. It is just a beautiful executed sneaker, and the actual snakeskin at the top. I did say crocodile skin in my review, which is wrong, but the snakeskin at the top is fire, and the snakeskin panel that divides the swoosh is fire. This is a beautiful rendition, and like I said, you can put all white and just put a touch of red or silver and just leave it at that. But they went the extra mile. They went the extra mile and literally gave you something that is pure perfection, in my personal opinion. That snakeskin on the actual top panel there is beautiful, with the wings logo as well. This is fire. This is amazing. This is one of my favorites as well. I love all my Jordan Airships. Like I keep telling you guys, I've not picked up a Jordan 1 in a while. Let's just say that I've been picking up these Jordan Airships, and it's been a perfect substitute, because £135 for a sneaker like this, I'm always going to get it. And Jordan Brand did something good. Jordan Brand hit the actual Jordan Airship out of the park. It's a home run. Any way you look at it, when you guys wake up and realize that these are it, and you start picking them up, you realize how good the Jordan Airship is. In my personal opinion, it's a great substitute for the Jordan 1. Perfectly priced at £135. I think it's $150 or $160 in the US. But yeah, I love these. This is such a great fit. It's so simplistic. It's got less paneling, and it just does it really well. It's got that basic shape, like a Jordan 1 shape to it, and less paneling to it, and it just brings it. I don't know why there's a lot of hate on the Jordan Airship, in my personal opinion. When you've got sneakers like this, when you can go and check out a sneaker like this in store, and I've seen a lot of people turn around to me on my reviews on Instagram and turn around and say, damn, I might need to go back for that. And guys, you need to go back for this if you are looking for a very good sneaker. This is why I say the Jordan Airship is a perfect sneaker. It releases for £135. It sits, and then you can go back and get it for under retail. That's perfect to me. That's a perfect scenario in any other way you look at it. If you don't believe me, go to the store, check them out for yourself, and make your own mind up. Put them on feet, rock them for a little while. I've rocked my Tech Grace for a lot of times. Like, I'm talking about 5-6 times I've worn it. When it first came out, I kept wearing it because it's such a dope sneaker. I'll be wearing all the other Jordan Airships in time. But guys, go check it out for yourself and make your opinion up, because I will guarantee you will not walk out that store without that sneaker, in my personal opinion, because it's such a great sneaker. And if you can get it on the secondary market for under retail, even better, guys. That's what I'm saying. But thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always showing love, guys. I know I just showcased 7 pairs of my Jordan Airships. I probably will end up getting more in the long term. If Maniere release more, I'll probably get that. There are going to be more from the boutiques. I can see that because all the stamps on the actual boxes showcase different kind of areas like Tokyo, Paris and all that stuff. So I know there's more Jordan airships coming out in terms of the boutiques, and I just can't wait to see. And I know there's another one of this. There's a blue variation of this coming out soon in full time. I'm definitely picking that up. If it's going to be like this, and I know it's going to be like this, I'm definitely picking that up. And guys, this came out in the US first, and then we got it in the UK, so I'm definitely going to wait for that. That is an absolute dope sneaker. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Thank you for always showing love and support, and thank you for tolerating me talking through all this video, guys. But like I do at the end of the video, I hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ, I love Kit Customs. Peace out for now, guys, and peace.